Hello, welcome to Trends and Support. So we had a good day in the last trading day. After a long days of downside trend, we were in a one day. There is a spike in the Nifty, and I already gave in the last video the upside breakout around 24,685 range, and we met around how many around 200 points 6 sorry 24 68802 24 865 180 points, and we are in a near breakout to another spike. So once we this was the previous falling channel, this was the trend of that time. So once we cross here, that means around here 24 865 range. If we cross and sustain above this 850 860 to 865 range, then we will have an upside towards here, that means 24 945 to 982 range. So this will be a resistance, and this close above this one also a good sign of the upside. And if you check the downside, that means the support, here we have a small support around 24 813 range, 813 815 range. Then the downside support is around 24 777. Then there is a lot of small support here around 24 765 to 775 range. And here that means 24 750 range also a small support. So this range mostly will act as a support in the Friday's move. So the ranges should mostly will be in 24 755 to 945 range. That means 24 945 range. So I am expecting if we cross this line, that means this line, then we will have an upside, a good upside movement towards here 24 945 to 24 980. If we will not cross this one, then there might be a slightly downside movement till here, that means around 24 750 to 755 range. If we not hold this range, then the movement to downside will also be a little more fast, and this might go towards here, that means around 24 630 range, 630 to 635 range. Then it can move towards 24 580 range. So I'm hoping to get a breakout here, and it can move upside, otherwise slightly down and bounce back. That's it from my side for the Nifty. Now we can go to check Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, I already mentioned in the last video that it has closed and sustained a good range, and for a look like a bounce back better than Nifty, and you can see the movement from after that, the last day. And this line was also very important for closings that day. So we took a support around 54 580 range. That was a very good range to take a support. And the upside target I already mentioned 55 120 range. And now we are trading in a range of near resistance. That is, this one is, there is a lot of resistance coming here. That means around 55 400 range, 406 405. Then slightly here 450 range also getting a resistance, and even this one also, that means 55 530 range. So as per the trend line, if we cross this one, that means 55 530 range, then we can look for an upside movement. Otherwise this range will be slightly more resistance on the 55 530, and here around 55 450 range. So this range will be some slightly resistance on range. Then once we cross this one, this can move towards 56 060 range. Then this could move, this can move around 56 280 to 290 range. The movement will be this way. Otherwise, in the downside, 55 120 to 110 range, the support. Then 54 930 be the support for the next day. So I hope you get some. That means some resistance and support of the bank nifty as well. So if you want to trade on these levels, you can do with the options, and once you get a breakout, you can buy the call options at the money, or as per your convenience, that means out of the money or in the money, and you can use the support given as your stop loss. So I hope you get some ideas about Nifty and Bank Nifty in the Friday moment. And if you like this video, you can share this video to your friends, and they may get benefit from this for their trade. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching.